Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm back down Samsen Road, one of my favourite parts of Bangkok, apart from when we do all this construction and stuff like that. But yeah, I was down here about 2 months ago and I had this really fantastic dish in the shop just here. Someone said you should go across the road and check out the chicken and rice. So let's go check out the chicken and rice. In Pasar Thai they say Khao Man Gai. Let's go. So this is the place I came to a while ago. And that was really good. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave that down in the description. But what we're going to do, we're going to go to that little shop there and check out some fantastic chicken and rice. And I've heard it's one of the best in the area. If you hang around till the end of the video, we'll go and have a Thai dessert or something like that. Anyway, let's go check this place out, guys. So here it is. Chicken. Oh, we've got other stuff on the menu as well. Khao Man Gai.
Khao Man Gai. Có nặng mấy? Chicken skin, okay?
No skin.
No skin. Okay, one. Normal or extra?
How much is it?
50, 60.
Have a 60.
60.
60 baht. 60 baht for so already we've got the soup and the sauce. You can see the ginger in there and garlic. Really good. Oh, it's really good. Anyway, I'm going to try a little bit of this soup first. Wow. I'll leave the link for this place down in the description. Go and check it out. Oh, soup. I wonder what's in that. That tastes different to what you normally get. Oh, fantastic. You even get a free drink of tea. Oh, our soup is lovely. Get that straight over the top of. Check this out. That soup is, wow. A little bit of soup on the rice. Oh wow. Whoever recommended this, cheers. This is lovely. It really is. Wow. Cucumber, chicken. Add a little bit of soup on the rice there. Wow. It's up there with one of the best chicken and rice. Oh wow. Can't get enough of this sauce. Fantastic. This is really good. Definitely worth checking out. I've definitely had chicken and rice quite a while actually. soup. Oh wow. Real lumps of chicken in there. That's great. I'm going to crack on in here. I'll bring you back when it's time to get the bill. Wow. Amazing. Check binนะครับ Octopus. Thank you, couple cup. That was really, really good. I highly recommend that. That is up there with the best. Anyway, let's go for a little bit of a walk. Go towards Khao San. Maybe we'll go and have a look at the river. I heard there's a little bit of food down near the river, so we'll go check that out as well. A lot of Chinese shops around here. What we're going to do, cross over there. I just spotted Thewet. This is one of my favourite sausages in Thailand. Amazing. Ever get a chance to eat one of them? Yeah, try it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to walk to the river the other way. If you go down there, there's Rama 5 Bridge, and it's a really, really busy road. But if we go this way, it's a little bit more quieter, and there's less chance of getting run over. That place there, check it out, man. Amazing. And this place as well. I think that's what I had. Go for that one next time. Anyway, as you can see, loads of roadworks, and that's to do with the MRT Purple Line. They are tunnelling under all of these roads. A little bit of the road collapsed off there near the police station. We are going to go down this way towards the river. What a beautiful temple that is. What is this? Garlic? Gratian, huh?
เขาเรียกว่าอะไรฮะไส้ขนมอ่ะ
That's good. Oh, Chinese food. It smells very, very delicious. Look at that. I want me to try some. I can try a little bit. Oh, thank you. Alright, alright, mac mac. Oh, very good. Thank you. Wow. Kind of a beanie drink flavour to it. It's nice. I think it's got ginger in it as well. Something very strong. It's nice though. Anyway, just down here is the pier. We're going to check it out. There's another big temple over there. When we get to the river, you'll see Rama 5 Bridge. I think it's Rama 5 Bridge. Oh, it's a lovely day today. Temperature's about 28°C. The pollution's cleared up. a nice breeze. That's what gets rid of the pollution, you know, when it's a little bit windy. A beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, yeah. Sounds like there's some kind of restaurant in there. Sells noodles. Oh yeah, there we go, look at that. Looks like a nice place to chill out. If you're in the area, come and check it out. Anyway, we'll go to the pier, have a little bit of a walk around and see what we can see. I'll tell you what, that's a nice house. Very nice. I ain't seen much food around here, but this is the pier. There's some food over there. What we could do, we'd get a 7-Eleven or something like that and get a drink like we always do. We'll check this place out first. There's a nice restaurant in here selling noodles. There it is, Rama 5 bridge over there. Beautiful. Quiet as well. So you can take a boat from here all the way up to Nonthaburi Pier. I've done that a few times. Anyway, let's go to 7-Eleven and end this video. A lot of people always ask me why I don't drive a car or ride a motorbike. The reason is I can't drive. And the best way to see Bangkok is to walk everywhere. When you walk in, you see some fantastic things. You see everything. Hidden gems everywhere. You ain't going to be seeing this driving around in a car. There's a little market here. We can go and check that out. These guys are selling fish down here, all sorts. Let's go in here. If you like these exploring videos, let us know in the comments. I'll come down and do a few more. We could add it to the second channel, which is growing a little bit more now. If you want to know what the second channel is, just Google my name without the eats. I'm sure there's a 7-Eleven down here somewhere. Got the egg lady there. Sure they are duck eggs. Got a 7-Eleven for a drink. Don't know if it's down there, I can't remember now. Yeah, it is. Down here we have a load of restaurants too. You want to eat some street food? You come down here. That chicken and rice has filled me up actually. Now I've walked a little bit, it's kind of settled, and yeah, I don't feel hungry anymore. There it is. We're going to get a hello and welcome, or just a ding dong. Let's go and see. Just a ding dong today. Okay, so today's drink, we're going to have a green tea with no sugar. One of my favourites at the minute. Oh, you can't beat a green tea on a day like today. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Let's try to get this one to 400 likes. Maybe not. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you later.